Hello.
Where'd Aiden go? Has anybody seen Aiden? Where is he?
Where's the Babaloo? Huh?
I guess we'll have to make another one. Can't seem to find our first one. Uh-oh, now what?
Say, excuse me, Daddy. Get off there, get off.
Are you stuck? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Kiss. Can I have a kiss? Can the clothes hamper give me a kiss?
Hey, then. What you doing?
Sorry, we won't disturb you. Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Well, I guess we know what we can do for your Halloween costume. You can go as a clothes hamper.
Where's Aiden go? Oh, right there. Aiden.
Are you stuck? Ooh.
Uh-oh. Hello. Yes.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yes, I did.
Are you going to throw it away? You put it in the trash can? Throw it away. Over here. Throw it away. Trash. Good boy. Oh, you got the one you missed. Get that one. What did you drop? What about that one? What about this one? Throw it away. Put it in there. What about this part? What about this part? Put it in. Put it inside. Get that piece. Get that piece. Throw it away. Fell out.
Say bye-bye. Come on. Bye-bye.